review for what we did yesterday. The first thing that we're going to do is find the area of a circle. So we're going to identify that this is our diameter. And so to find the area of a circle, you simply have to do pi radius squared. So you're going to bring down your bring down your pi. Your diameter is 6. That's not our r. So our radius is half of that. So half of 6 is 3. So you're going to do 6 divided by 2 to get your radius. And that's how I got 3. Again, this is what we did yesterday. So I am going a little bit fast. So you bring down your radius and then bring down your square. All you have to do now is put it in your decimals, and just like you see it. So I'm going to do pi. I'm going to show you on my calculator here. And turn off the light, is a little bright. I'm going to do pi r squared, and I got 2827. And that is going to be centimeters squared, because that is the area of a circle. We did this together as a class. We also did it last year in 7th grade. Now this is what it looks like in 8th grade. So this is your cylinder, this is your base, and they call it the area of the base. Well, you know that the base is the shape of a circle, so I need to find the area of a circle using the same formula, because all you're doing is finding the area of this circle, which is the base. So the 4 represents my radius. So I have all the information I need. I'm going to follow the formula. I'm going to bring down my pi. My radius is 4, and then don't forget that square. So again, I'm going to go to my Desmos. I'm going to try to see if I can see it a little bit better. It's kind of hard to see. Maybe my brightness is too much. Oh, that's better. So I'm going to do, again, pi. My radius is 4 to the 2nd power. So my answer is 50.26, and that's going to be inches squared. I'm going to go ahead and block that answer. I know it's a little hard to see with this phone on the Desmos, but now we are going to go to what we're doing today, which is finding the volume of a cylinder. So this is kind of just for the people that were out yesterday. They could get that. So you're going to go to your formula chart. You're going to write volume equals area of the base times the height. The B stands for the area of the base. The base is going to be a circle. So here's my circle. That's my base. And we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday. So we kind of talked about it yesterday. Where you see the areas, those are going to be your B's, and then we're finding the area of a circle. So I'm going to replace that B by finding the area of the circle. So V equals, so instead of the B, I'm going to put pi r squared, and then don't forget to bring down your h. So that's the first thing we're going to do. The second thing we're going to do is identify what we have. So the 10 represents the diameter because it's a full length, and the 12 is the height of the cylinder. So now I'm going to write down V equals, bring down your pi. Now, the diameter is not my radius. So I need to divide 10 by 2 to find my radius. And 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. So I'm going to, instead of putting the r, I'm going to put 5 squared. Now, times your height. Your height is 12. So I'm going to put 12. Now, all you have to do, now that you have all your components to your formula, is put it into your Desmos. So I'm going to write V equals, and then I'm going to go in my little Desmos, and I am going, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I'm going to put my pi, 5 squared, times the height. And so I got 942.47. Okay, my units are inches cubed. Yesterday we did inches squared because that was our area, but today we're talking about volume. So it's going to be to the 3rd power, okay? So we did this very similar thing yesterday. All we're doing today is solving. I just kind of went over it again. I'm going to do one more, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So go to example 3. You would do 2 on your own, and I'm doing 3 right now. So they told you the area of the base, that's your B, of the cylinder is 4 pi. So they gave you the B this time. They told you the area of the base is 4 pi. Then they told you the height is 7. So I'm going to write height is 7. And I want you to find the volume of the cylinder. So we're going to use the same formula. And I got it straight from the formula sheet. Again, we're going to replace the B for, well, and I don't even have to do it because look, they gave me the B. I don't have to do nothing extra. So instead of writing the B, I'm going to go ahead and just bring down 4 pi. They kind of did that part for us already. And then my height is going to be 7, so times 7. So for this one, all you got to do again is put this in Desmos. I want to say something else about this. They didn't give us the radius, they didn't give us the diameter because they gave us that area of the base already. They did that part for us. So that's the reason I didn't substitute here. But on all the other ones, you're going to have to do that unless they do this part. So let's get my phone. I'm going to go do the same thing here. I'm going to do 4 pi times 7. And I got 87.96. I'm going to write 87.96 inches cubed. Again, when we're talking about volume, you're going to do your units to the 3rd power. So your job is to do example 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make sure you finish it and turn in your work. Have a great day.